Hello, people. In another half an hour time, no, 1 hour, yeah, I'll be reporting to work. I mean, in terms of this particular new place that, no, the reason I like to keep all my friends, you all are my friends, yeah, all the people on YouTube. I mean, so many of my friends watch my channel, and so it's like I really hope to continue being able to record, which I will be able to do it really. And I just have to say this, yeah. Yesterday I saw this this movie on Amazon Prime called Pedda Katha. Oka, oh, Pedda, Oka, Ped, but it is written as Pitta Katha on Amazon Prime. So I kept wondering what is Pitta, but basically it's Pedda. So Pedda means big, and it is a big, annoying story that you can ever possibly find. I mean, um, it's all a new star cast, and the thing is, while the female lead is really sweet, uh, the whole the like if the script is so convoluted and so like it should not be so removed from reality that people are not able to connect with it. So that is the biggest flaw of Pedda Katha. And by the time the movie reaches its end, you're like, you heave a sigh of relief. So that really shouldn't be the, you should watch a movie because it entertains you, not like it makes you sit and go round and round in circles. So really, people, I won't say try and catch it, but for the fresh faces, and we are shown Arku and the very beautiful side of Rajamandri and all these places, Godavari. So it's breathtaking from that point of view. And now, thanks to drone cameras, we are always shown these drone shots of the city, of a lake, of a river. So it's quite beautiful in that sense, of Arku Valley, the hillside. So really, people, so try and catch it for that reason alone. It's called Pedda Katha, and you can find it on Amazon Prime. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.